Hey guys, another Destash. This is a stamp Destash. It's $20 shipped. US shipping only, PayPal, friends and family. Again, this is another one that I've already done before, but $20 shipped I think is a fair price. First thing's going to be a lawn fawn stamp. It's this Just My Type. It's the one with the telephone and the typewriter. You can put stamp the messages in that little piece of paper right there. Saturated Canary, Sketchy. This is a rubber stamp. This one is a Crafter's Companion, Best Teacher. And that one's a rubber one too. You have to put the thing on the back. And here is a Stampendous tag, distressed tag stamp. This one's be easy for you to cut out after you've stamped it, but it's a distressed looking. And then I have this one. It's hexagon stamp by Tanner Bale Designs. I think I used it once, but it's got some different designs in there, some distressed ones. Okay, and that's it. And $20 shipped. If you want this one, just leave a message down in the comments. Thanks guys. Bye.